Hello my lovelies. Today we're going to pick the winner for the refrigerator. I'm hoping this is focusing good. I already copied the URL, filter duplicate users, and based on text it was July. And we have 89 comments. So we'll go over here, hit start, and see who's going to win. Who is it? Who is it? Who is it? Who is it? I don't know. Morgan Griggs, congratulations to the winner. How can it already be July? I still haven't gone to the pool. So let's make sure she is still subscribed. Channels. Let's see if I'm on here. It's been a very long day today. It is Saturday. It is 3:36 p.m. I've been doing a lot of summer cleaning. I had to clean off my deck, bring in a new chair, sweep, mop, dust, do dishes, play with the dogs. So I've been doing a lot of stuff today. She's got a lot of subscribers she subscribes to. Did I miss me because I was talking so much? Did you all see me? I don't see me. Do you see me? I do not see me. So, we are going to be going to the next winner. Pick another winner. Peach, Georgia. Can you believe it's already close to the middle of July? Let's see if she is subscribed. I don't know if people unsubscribe or if YouTube does it, because I've noticed YouTube has been unsubscribing me from people and I have to go resubscribe. So there's that. I bought a Christmas CD the other day. I was jamming to it. Alright. I don't see myself in here either. Just double checking. Oh, there I am. Right there. Don't know how I passed it. Probably because I talk too much. So, Peach, Georgia, congratulations. You have 48 hours to contact me, and I will have this shipped to your house from the store. My email is down below. Email me. If you don't contact me within 48 hours, I will have to pick another winner. But thank you, everybody, for the birthday wishes. I had a super fantastic birthday month, and today is the last day of the month, so I better go live it up instead of cleaning all day. Too late. Anyways, thank you guys. Congratulate Peach, Georgia, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye, guys.